In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a partner on Base44 and start offering your services to users who need help building apps. If you already have skills and experience working with Base44, this can be a great way to earn money by helping others create their projects. As a partner, you can set your own pricing. You can choose to charge per project, by the hour, or offer both options. You will also be listed in the official Base44 partner directory, which gives you visibility and allows users to reach out to you directly. So let me show you how to apply. First, when you are logged into your Base44 account, look at the top menu and click on Hire a Partner. This will open the Partner Marketplace page. Here you can see existing partners and their profiles. You can click on any partner to view their experience, services, and pricing. For example, some partners specialize in mobile app development, UI and UX design, workflow automation, or custom integrations. You will also notice they often display their hourly rates, like $60, $100, or even $120 per hour, depending on experience. Now, if you want to join them and become a partner yourself, click the Apply Here link on the Partner Marketplace page. This will open the partner application form. Here you will need to provide some details for your profile. First, upload your logo or profile picture. Then enter your display name or company name. After that, write a short description about yourself explaining your skills, experience, and what users can expect when working with you. Try to be clear about what you specialize in because this helps clients decide if you're a good fit. Next, you will choose your country and city and continue through the application steps. Base44 may also ask you for additional information about your work, past projects, portfolio, or proof of experience. Once everything is filled out, submit your application. After review, if you get accepted, you will be listed as an official Base44 partner, and users will be able to contact you for paid work. That's it. Becoming a Base44 partner can be a great opportunity if you enjoy building apps and want to work with clients. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 tutorials and AI development guides.